Hello, good day. My name is Clement and you are welcome to section 2 of smartphone graphic design class. And in this section 2, we are going to be discussing about a particular app, very important app that you can use to design your graphics. You can use it to design various graphics like poster, banner, stickers, logos, and so on. So let's dive in. Now, in this particular place, we can see objects. This is what we call workspace. This is what we call workspace. This particular place is where you put your objects, you put your text, you put your background, you put your images to design whatever you want to design. So this place is called workspace. Also, this particular icon here on the top left corner of the screen is called shortcut icon. If you see now, if you click on the icon, you see some options that it will bring out for us. You can see this tab. The first tab here, text. Then the second tab here wrote current date. The third tab here wrote sticker. Let's try and check each of the tab one by one. If we click on the first tab, which is text, that means you can directly add a text directly from the shortcut tab instead of going to this drawer below. So we can as well go to this place and see the shortcut. So let's try and change the color so that it can be legible. You can see we have successfully added a new text. You can see there's another tab here that wrote current date. So let's click on it and let's see what it will display for us. You can see automatically that tab fetches the date we are making this video. That means the shortcut fetches the day we are designing this particular artwork. Can you see? Maybe you are working on something that related to date. You can just as well go to this tab. You can just go to this tab, this shortcut. You can just go there and click on current date. It will fetch out the current date you are designing that particular work. So you can insert it if it is necessary. You can insert it to your design. So let's move to the next tab. The next tab here is sticker. So let's try and know what is there. Can you see? We can see different customized stickers that we can apply to our design. You can see this one, you can see this one. A lot of stickers there, a lot of stickers there that we can apply to our design. Also emoji, we can apply emojis directly from the shortcut. So let's move on. Let's go to shapes. So if you click on shapes, this is what we will see when we click on shapes. So maybe you now want to design another thing apart from the square shape. You can just click here, and it will bring us to various type of shapes in our pixel app. You can see You can see different kind of shapes. So let's try one. Can we see? Can we see? So under that functionality, we can adjust the opacity. Opacity means the degree to which an object is legible. So you can just adjust the opacity. Can you see? As I begin to drag the bar to the left hand side, can you see that the opacity, the legibility of the object is reducing? But when I drag it to the right hand side, it become more legible. It even cover the text at the background. So can we say you can as well do it like that? If you scroll up and click on gradient, if you click on gradient, if you click on gradient, you can see the adjustments to the image. Then also stroke. You can adjust stroke. You can as well adjust stroke to make the objects have borderline. To have borderline. Can we see? Okay. You can as well change the opacity of the stroke also. Can we see the changes? Can we see the changes? So that is it. So you can as well change the color, the gradient of the stroke, the borderline of that object. You can as well change it to another type of another type of color, which is gradient type of color. Let me enlarge this thing so that we can see it clearly. Can we see? Can we see the differences? Can we see the differences? So also note something. I want us to also note something. At the edge of our object, we can also make changes to the edge of our object. And so if we zoom, if you click here, you'll be able to zoom our object. Can we see? You'll be able to zoom our objects. Can we see? If I want to change the edges, what I mean by edges, this is what I mean by edges. If you want to change the edges of our object, you can as well just click on this place, this one, or this one, or this one. Can we see changes now? This is where I'm talking about. Can we see changes? Can we see changes? So that is all about shapes. If you want to include shape to your work, you can make use of the shortcuts. I will also show us where we can go directly to pick up shapes in our Pixel Lab. Okay, so if you click on from gallery, so if you be able to pick some photos on our phone, maybe icon, maybe photos that we want to add to our work, we can be able to pick it up from there, from the shortcuts. So let's try it. Okay, can we see? So you can also as well adjust the image. You can adjust the image from either here or here or here. So these are the 3 points we can adjust our image. You can adjust it either left, or you can adjust it from the right, or from the down, or from the down side. Then also there's a particular functionality at the bottom left of the image, which is this place. What it means, what this particular functionality means is you can use it to rotate our image. Let me do it for us. Can we see? We'll be able to